Hang a cucumber on the branch of your plant, and you won't believe what happens next. At first, this may look unusual, almost like a simple garden decoration, but there's a powerful secret hidden in this method. Nature has its own way of working wonders, and sometimes the smallest steps can lead to the biggest results. Here's how you can try it yourself. Take one fresh cucumber and cut a lemon in half. Gently rub the cut lemon across the surface of the cucumber. This step may seem simple, but it infuses the cucumber with natural acidity and nutrients that enhance its effect. Now, take a strong piece of rope or twine and carefully tie the cucumber to a branch of your chosen plant. Make sure it hangs securely so it can work its magic without falling. Once it's hanging, the cucumber slowly releases its natural compounds, while the lemon adds an extra boost. Together, they create a refreshing environment that can help strengthen your plants, keep pests away, and support healthier growth, all without chemicals. So the next time you walk into your garden, don't just water and walk away. Try this unusual trick. Hang a cucumber, let nature do the rest, and watch the results with your own eyes.